Introducing Project MAKAI, a 1995 Range Rover Classic reimagined by E.C.D. Hand-finished in a rich, full-gloss Epsom green mica, its deep hue reflects both sophistication and rugged charm. This Range Rover Classic rides with presence on Kingsley 5-spoke wheels, paired with premium Michellin road tyres for a smooth and commanding drive. At the front, OEM-style bumpers and twin Hella 500 series amber driving lights. Inside, Project MAKAI exudes classic British refinement. The cabin is anchored by an OEM-style steering wheel and heritage gauges, maintaining the authenticity of the original design. Land Rover OEM captain's chairs at a 60-40 split mid-row are luxuriously appointed in single vertical diamond-stitched Cascadia leather, crafted with precision and finished in a deep black stitching for a sleek, tailored aesthetic. The load area has been left open, offering generous utility while maintaining a clean, minimalist feel. Beneath its iconic silhouette lies the heart of a modern performance machine, a GM LS3 engine paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless power and reliability. Technological enhancements include a touchscreen infotainment system powered by Infinity Kappa speakers, Apple CarPlay integration, rear AC, and USB connectivity, blending classic form with contemporary function. Project MAKAI is more than a restored icon. It's a bespoke luxury experience built for those who appreciate the past but drive the future.